probably tell it's been pretty cold lately. Okay, now I gotta go clean the barn. Easily one of the worst things about winter is it just gets to that certain point and then everything is frozen. So it just took me a whole lot longer than it usually does to feed all that silage because the silage is in frozen chunks. Is everything unfrozen?
Everything's unfrozen, but just need to fix so I doesn't.
All the gutters down here, everything gets frozen right down by the ends. So everything moves?
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, Sylvia likes to kick her mat down into the gutter. I gotta fix that every once in a while. It used to be anchored down, but then it ripped out a while ago.
Saliva! Yes! We're gonna get some exercise. Come on, Saliva! Come on, go! Go, 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 go! Nice one, Sylvia. Nice.
Hey, don't touch my camera.
Thanks a lot.
You pick those bridges up?
What? Oh, I'll go get it.
I told him to do that a long time ago. And he told me he would. Hello everyone, how's the cold? Ugh. Lydia said these girls are out of hay. Sure looks like it. We have small square bales sitting in this shed from the summer, from when it was warm and green and nice and everything outside. Still got a good pile of those left. So usually we'll take like 6 of these bales over. If I can get my fingers on these strings. George is supposed to be helping me with this. I don't know where he is at the moment. Should be on his way out though.
Hank, come here. Take these strings and put them down.
He's so cute.
Oh, Tom!
Okay, it's my job to bed the cows, so we've been using some bean bales bedding from a bunch of beans, beanstalk after they combine the beans. So we have a bunch of bales of those. We actually kind of made a big stack of them out in a hayfield and we just covered them with a tarp. So it kind of looks like its own hoop building. But this is what I'm using to bed the cows.
Still like lifesavers? You can't afford to waste candy? You can't afford to waste candy? What's your lifesaver? Just eat it. Don't sit here and lick it. That was good. Ungrateful animals.
He was licking my ear. Chad.
Hey Wilson, speak in your normal voice so everybody doesn't think that you're a high talker.
So everybody doesn't think that I'm a high talker. Yeah, I'm a high talker. Yeah. Chad, you again.
Explain to the YouTube why the videos from the Fink family's Organecco dairy farm right here in Finklandia have been kind of few and far between.
Because I'm busy. I
Fink
have
is
work in the mornings, I have school, I have this work, and that eats up pretty much my whole day.
Yeah. So you feel real bad about that, right? Yeah. Take it off him. He's acting like a goof. Hey Wilson, do you have any good jokes?
Let's see. Okay, do I have any good jokes? No.
I know a good joke.
What are you doing?
I'm pointing to a good joke.
Oh.
Okay, I just finished bedding. And I still have school to do, so I'm gonna have to end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.